Learn how we can write functions in Motoko. So let's comment this our print function and let's try. And if you want to write function in Motoko, all you have to do is to write a fun keyword, which is shortcut for function, and the name of the function, let's say top up, and our brackets and our send brackets over here, which is similar to many of the programming languages. Or we just did this, we wrote the shortcut for function. So after we've done writing a function, let's try to increment this my number by 2. So inside the function, my number is plus equal 2, and bring out closing bracket. And also don't forget to bring your semicolon over here. So after that, we can just call our function to print it. So let's say top up, let's call it. But in writing function in Motoko, we have two types of functions that we can write in Motoko. We have the one which can only be seen inside this class, and we have another function that can be used anywhere in our code. So in order to write a function that can be seen only inside this class, we just bring private over here. And if you want to write a function that can be used outside this code, you can just bring public. So in this code, I'm going to bring the public here and comment this one out. So I'm going to remove it, which is the same as the one that we want to use it only inside this class. So in order to print our function, let me show you a short documentary on how you can print a function onto your terminal. So let's open this documentary. So in this documentary, we have something called Candid, and this Candid is like a graphical interface that we can use to print something without using the terminal. So, and it's very simple and very nice. So in order to implement this Candid inside your code, the steps are provided here, which I'm going to provide this link in the video description. So in order to do that, first we have to copy this code and paste it inside our terminal. Tap enter, and here they are going to give me some information over here, which is my Candid ID or UI ID. And after that, I'm also going to go inside my browser and enter this link. You can see that this link provided over here, 127.0.1, is also the same URL link we had inside our code. So we can just copy this code and let's open a new terminal, and we are going to paste this code over here, and let's go back to this thing. And after we've copied it inside it, you can see you have to bring a question mark and then canister ID. So let's copy this one. And here the ID that we are going to use inside our canister is this one. So I'll copy this ID and I'll open my browser and add it to it and tap enter. And now I'm going to see it's going to open a certain site for me, and it's asking me to provide a canister ID. And in order to get this canister ID, you have to head back our program and we have to copy this code and go back to our terminal and paste it. Sorry. So let me copy this code. And let me print the old mistake. And I'll paste it. And here, the counter there, I'm going to replace it with the name of my project, which is People's Bank. People Bank. And tap enter. And here they are also going to send me a certain ID over here. So I'm going to copy this ID, Ctrl C, and then paste inside here and click go. I'm going to see a candid UI prepared for me, and let's head back into our project. And in this project, let's use a public over here. And first we have this public project, and if we restart we deploy back our VFS or save our data, and we open our site, we can just refresh this one, and we are going to see our function over here. And in this function, you can click on the call in order to call this function. And after we call it, we are going to see that it has called this function and bring the results in our terminal. So you can call it as many times as you want, and it's going to increase each of these functions by 2. So that's that for creating functions. We didn't console log anything, so in order to log something over here, we have to bring our debug.print into brackets debug underscore show and the name. So we are going to print our number here, my number. And now if we head back, if we deploy, you have to deploy anytime you make changes. So if we deploy our project again and head back to this project, this site, and refresh, we are going to see we can call it, and anytime we call this function, we are going to see it prints a new number on our terminal. So we can call this as many times as we want, and it's going to print them onto our terminal. So that's that for functions. So let's create another function which is used to withdraw, let's say withdraw an amount or withdraw a number from my number. So let's create another function which is public fun, and let's call it withdraw. And here my number is going to be deducted by, let's see, 10, or let me bring 2. So here let's also print our number. So debug.print, and here debug underscore show, and we bring our number over here. Sorry, my number. So we can deploy our project again and head back to our site, and as soon as we refresh our project, we are going to see that there is another function created below the first function, and here you can call it and as soon as we call it, we are going to see it has subtracted 2 from our current amount. And let's try to bring an argument inside our function. And in order to bring an argument in our function, let's say we will add, maybe the project is going to ask for a certain number, and we are going to input a number for it to subtract or add it into our function. So let's say you can bring a variable called, let's say, amount over here, and in order to write an argument in Motoko, we bring our column, and here we specify the type, the data type of the variable, or the value that is going to work inside our function. So here is a number. So first is a number, we bring nat, which is shortcut for natural number, So after it's done, let's replace this 2 by the amount. And let's do the same thing for this one. Amount and the nat. And here we can replace it by amount. So after we are done, let's save our code and deploy our site again. And after it's done, we can head back to our function. We said I have to type yes over here, because and it's going to deploy my site. And when I refresh, I'm going to see there's a text input over here for me to input the amount, which is the first one. When it's top up, the amount which is going to be added into my number, and here the amount which is going to be subtracted into the number. So let's say here I want to add, let's say, 80 into my top up amount. So all I have to do is to click here, and it's going to call the function, and it has increased my current amount, which was 10 by 80, and now it's 100. And here we can also detract. So let's say I want to detract it. I can call this function, and it's going to subtract 2 from. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next video.